In the southern cone of South America, there is a region known as the Gran Chaco, which spans multiple countries and features various biospheres, including humid forests, arid regions, mountain ranges, and tropical jungles. The steel monkey frog, an amphibian that is spread across much of this region, inhabits these environments. The Gran Chaco covers northern Argentina, Bolivia, part of southern Brazil, and a vast expanse of Paraguay. It has an area of approximately 442,000 square miles, making it one of the largest biospheres on the planet and known as jaguar territory. However, for now, we will focus solely on the steel monkey frog. This amphibian belongs to the order Anura and exhibits arboreal behavior. It is part of the Philomedusa genus, characterized by species that produce a waxy secretion that reduces water loss. This is possible because the oil, being hydrophobic, prevents liquid evaporation, allowing the frog to adapt to arid climates. The steel monkey frog is arboreal and is rarely seen on the ground, as it meets almost all its needs in the trees. It is small in size, reaching between 2 and 2.8 inches in length. It has a bright green color and a white belly with patterns. Its legs are designed for climbing, with elongated toes on both pairs of limbs. The front limbs have 4 toes, while the hind limbs have 5. The tip of each toe is more bulbous than the rest due to the presence of glands that produce lipid substances, which help the frog adhere to rough surfaces, facilitating movement through the trees. For this reason, most tree frogs have rounded toe tips, while terrestrial or aquatic species have different shapes. This arboreal adaptation also influences its reproduction. It lays eggs on tree leaves, folding them to form a cone that retains moisture from the accumulated water. The eggs incubate there until hatching, at which point the tadpoles emerge. They complete their development on the leaf until they reach their adult form and venture outside. Unfortunately, there is no precise information about incubation time, the number of eggs per clutch, or their lifespan, making further research on these aspects essential. They exhibit slight sexual dimorphism. Females are slightly larger than males, and during the breeding season, the tips of the male's inner fingers darken. In addition to secreting lipid substances, they also produce uric acid, which they spread across their bodies to retain moisture and as a protective mechanism. Likewise, they generate peptides with defensive properties. Although not as potent as those of dart frogs, they seem effective enough as a deterrent, as the steel monkey frog has few predators. It is called a monkey due to its appearance and the way it moves as it walks instead of jumping. These are calm and passive animals, which has increased their demand as pets. They are more active during the day, when they can be seen basking in the sun, while at night, they hunt insects and other amphibians. Their diet is varied, and they consume any prey that is not larger than themselves. It is important to note that they are more active at night, so they may be noisy during those hours. In the wild, their conservation status is classified as least concern, although they face threats such as the illegal trade of wild-caught specimens and habitat destruction. In Argentina, for example, part of the Gran Chaco is being transformed into agricultural land or affected by illegal logging. Fires have also reduced portions of the region. In this regard, raising awareness is essential. When lighting a campfire or anything that can produce flames, it must be monitored and properly extinguished to prevent the spread and destruction of the area. One important aspect is that amphibians play a crucial role in science, as they can be used as indicators of pollution. If there is little pollution, especially in aquatic environments, there will be a considerable number of amphibians. However, when pollution levels rise, their populations decrease. This serves as an alarm to take action and assess whether we are on the right path or not. A striking and rare amphibian that requires further research and could be a source of pride for the countries that harbor is the steel monkey frog. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like and share it so more people can discover this channel. I'll leave my social media links so we can stay in touch, and I'll also use those platforms to share important channel updates. If you're new here, I invite you to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye.